Oh my God. We're all twisted upside down there. Oh, my. So we're looking at the aqueduct here, guys. Sorry about the technical difficulties there, spinning you all around. I had the phone hooked up to the gimbal backwards. Can't see properly in this bright Mexican sun here. Okay, let's go. So we're here in Oaxaca, Mexico, in the capital city, the oldest neighborhood in Oaxaca. But we're just gonna walk down this one street, guys. Here's the back side of the aqueduct here. Lots and lots of traffic behind us. This street here is actually pretty quiet. Oh, it smells so good down here. I'd walk on the sidewalk, but there's cars parked on it, so you go to the other side. Just a casual little walking tour here, guys. Sorry we're not in horizontal mode. It was just too hot to get the phone set up standing outside here in the sun. So I just went with what settings we were at already. Oh, we got municipal police here. Probably having lunch or coffee. This is where the cool restaurant is that has the, oh yeah, they're having a safety meeting here. Yeah, Cece just about fell in those holes there in that grate. Anyway, I was saying this is the restaurant that's got the aqueduct in it here. We had dinner in here a while ago. So it's kind of built around the aqueduct right here. Country collectors were here. It's pretty cool in there. We're going to do a video in there eventually. Lots of artwork down at this end. There's artwork everywhere, but oh, this is the restaurant here. Right there. I was wrong. And got the Michelin star. Very, very good food in there. We're just coming back from Cece's vet appointment. I don't know. I really like Xalapa for a cruise. Inland, I would say Xalapa is probably one of my favorite places. And I don't know, we really liked Huatulco, but I wouldn't want to live there full time. It's just too far south, too far away from everything. It's hot. Too many gringos there. Rent's really expensive. The beaches are beautiful. We haven't really narrowed it down yet, but I'm thinking, for me anyway, I won't speak for Jennifer, but for me, Xalapa is my favorite place, or Mexico City. I've never lived in Mexico City, but I've been there enough. I'd like to live there. I really like Xalapa. I seem to have lost Jennifer. Huh. Not quite sure where she went to. You know what? We'll carry on. She knows her way home. I went down that side street. Oh, there she is, way down there. She must have been waiting for me, and it didn't see me when I went by. So anyway, again, for me, it would be Xalapa for a city that's inland. I mean, we have only been to so many places, but I really, really like Xalapa. It's in the mountains, cooler temperatures. Cost of living is reasonable. People are super friendly. The only drawback is there's no beach, but it's only a couple hours from the beach. Here, you're over 3 hours from the beach. This is for me, this is a nice place to visit, but I personally, I wouldn't want to live here either. But it's a beautiful place to visit. Beautiful. But I wouldn't want to live here either. We're only here for 4 months. We're just visiting. Just visiting. We'll just wait for little Jennifer and Cece.
Down a dead end street.
No, it goes around the block.
I just thought I'd keep going and you'd catch up, and then Cece wanted to go back looking for you. So we went back and then we waited and then you didn't come out. I'm like, how did we lose them? How?
No, I went around the block. I thought you were following me till I got down by the Aqueduct restaurant there, and I looked back and I was like, oh well. And then I come out at the other end and I looked. I didn't see you either way. And I thought, oh, she must have kept on going. I figured I'd find you eventually.
I thought you were on your way home. I thought I saw you with your camera up ahead.
I was at that, where all the murals are on that little path where the ramp is. I was there waiting for you. And I was just videoing the murals. When I walked back, you had already gone up the street. Oh, guys, welcome. Thanks for joining us today on this little casual walk. Nothing too crazy, just a little walking tour here in Oaxaca City. We just walked through a tiny portion of the oldest neighborhood here in the city. Very, very popular. We are really enjoying our time here. I went for the longest bike ride I've ever gone for since I've been in Mexico. Rode for 30 miles the other day. 30 miles, 50 kilometers. Up into the mountains. Check back. I'll be dropping a video of that probably in about 4 weeks. I gotta finish up my Huatulco videos yet, guys. I think I got about 4 videos left to do a Huatulco. And then we'll be starting on our Oaxaca City adventures. Oh, our boys are doing some work here. Hey, welcome. Yeah, we like the cobblestone here too. Oh, she's warm. Warm. Well, that's it, guys. We're going to sign out. Thanks for hopping on. Really appreciate it. We'll go live again here. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Adios. Hasta luego.